Guys, so what I'm going to do, I'm actually going to do some bottom lashes today. And I put the tape on just so that I'll be able to see better. And it helps me to see the lash a lot better. So I'm going to do bottom lashes today, guys. So when we do the lash, you're literally going to turn the lash upside down this way. And then place it. So it's a process. And the tape is just helping me to see the lash more clearer. Okay, my tweezers got some glue on it because it keeps sticking. I'm going to have to clean my tweezers because I keep getting, when I go to place them, they're sticking. Okay, I got to clean my tweezers and come back. Okay, so now that I got the tweezers cleaned off, so I'm just dipping it in the glue and finding where I need to place them. And I will say the bottom ones, to me, is a lot easier than doing the top ones because you can see it really well. And I am going to cut this. I'm not going to leave them this long. So if you guys can see, they're very long. I'm not going to leave them that long. I'm going to cut them down. And just find the lash. Place it. You guys see? Yeah, they're really long. I don't want them that long. So after I get done placing them, I'm going to go in and cut them. I think I need to go over them and put some more in between to make it a little bit more fuller so that you can be able to see them. Now, I don't know how long these is going to last because it's going to be hard not to get them wet when I wash my face, guys. So, and sometimes it feels a little bit weird, but if you guys can see, you guys see them? So now, guys, I'm going to go in and I'm going to make them a little bit fuller. These ones is a 12. I wish I'd had an 8, but I'm going to cut these down. I'm not going to leave them this long. And I do turn them like upside down, guys. So you're taking the same mink lashes, guys. Instead of doing it this way, you're flipping it upside down. So I'm filling it in, and then I'm going to take some fine scissors, guys, and I'm going to cut this because they're definitely too long. I wouldn't wear them this long, and I just got the white tape on, trying to make it where you guys can see better on what's going on. So, okay, I'll come back. Guys, I don't know if you guys can see. I do think it takes a lot when I'm just using this, the actual mink lashes, to be able to see some volume. You gotta put quite a bit to be able to pick up and get the volume. And then, like I said, I still will cut these down. I wouldn't dare wear them this long because I can feel it touching. And these is a 12. These is the shortest ones I have. So it's taking quite a bit to fill it in. So just wanted to bring you guys back. So remember, I take it this way and find where I'm going to put it at. And drop it right there. So I feel like it's taking quite a bit. I'm going to go get the scissors and cut it down because I wouldn't wear them this long. It feels weird. Okay, so let me stop it and I'm going to go get some scissors, cut it, and come back. Okay, guys, so like I said, it is too long. I won't wear them this long, so I'm going to take some scissors and go in and cut, cut, cut. Be very careful. So if you guys can see, I cut them down quite a bit. And if you guys can see over here, that's how long my natural ones is. And this is the eyelash extensions. Let me put something white under there so you guys can be able to see it better. So you guys see? Those is the ones I added with the eyelash extensions. So I'll do the other eye, guys, take some pictures, and that's kind of how you put it on. And I don't have a lot of memory, guys, and I'm using my phone, so I don't want to run out of memory. All right. You can see I'm starting to work on the other eye so that they can be even. These is a 12 millimeter lashes, but like I said, I'm gonna cut them because if I would do the bottom lashes, I would do an 8. I wouldn't do a 12 because when you blink your eyes, it's touching the bottom of your eye. So just wanted to let you guys know I'm working on the other eye now, and then I'll come back with you. Okay, guys, so I got this side of the individual lashes on. So now I'm going to cut because they're too long. I won't wear them. These are 12 millimeter. I would like 8, but unfortunately I don't have any 8 here. So you see, I cut them down so that they're not touching my, eyes. But if you guys see, they're all done now. Gotta move the eyelashes that fell. But yeah, they're real simple to do. And when I do them at home, guys, I use this glue and I use this primer. Uh-oh. Can you see? Well, it's blurry. I can't even see it myself. It's Glad Lash eye primer. So alright, guys, thanks for watching. Bottom lashes. Bye-bye. Okay, guys, so they're all cut, top and bottom. My top ones is old. They kind of need to be clean. I got makeup in them. But top and bottom. Hey guys, so you guys see the bottom? And my top is old, guys. I didn't have my top on for about, I would say a month now. And I got makeup in them, so I need to clean them. But just freshly did the bottom ones. You guys can see. These was a 12 millimeter. And I cut them down. So normally I would like to do a 8, then a 12. Because the 12 is too long for the bottom. But okay, guys. Thank you, guys. Bye-bye. Okay, guys. So like I said, it is too long. I won't wear them this long. So I'm going to take some scissors and go in and cut, cut, cut. Be very careful. So if you guys can see, I cut them down quite a bit. And if you guys can see over here, that's how long my natural ones is. And this is the eyelash extensions. Let me put something white under there so you guys can better see it better. So you guys see, those is the ones I added with the eyelash extensions. So I'll do the other eye, guys, take some pictures, and that's kind of how you put it on. And I don't have a lot of memory, guys, and I'm using my phone, so I don't want to run out of memory. All right. Okay, guys, here are a couple still shots of the lashes. So actually the bottom ones is much easier to do than the top ones, guys. So I'm using a Simply Human mirror. Thank you, guys.